So I'm about to take this painting. This used to be in my daughter's room, and it's actually silk. The canvas is silk, and I'm gonna take that spray paint and I'm gonna spray paint this white, and then we'll go from there. And kind of like trying to fill this in because this is a cloth material. Okay, so it's 2 days later, and this is the outcome of the picture. I am very pleased with this texture part. At first I thought I wasn't, but if you look, it's texture because it's cloth. Also, I went to the Dollar Tree and I picked up 2 black acrylic paints. Did is I just went ahead and put the gold, squirted it right on there, and I'm about to brush that in. So of course I need to hang it up on the wall, as well as the black side goes down and the brown side is really the top of it, but it is not dry, the black part. So I just wanted to get this quick video out to you guys.